Imagine scaling a mountain. You reach a plateau, catch your breath, and admire the view. You're tempted to stay put, bask in the accomplishment. But then you remember the summit, the breathtaking panorama that awaits. Settling for the plateau might feel comfortable, but it denies you the true peak of your potential. The same applies to your business. Reaching a point of stability is good, but mistaking it for the finish line is a recipe for stagnation. The business landscape is a constant climb, and those who settle for the plateau risk being overtaken by the relentless winds of change. Here's why continuous improvement is the oxygen your business needs to reach the summit.
Welcome to Business Alchemy.
Survive and thrive in a competitive market. Businesses constantly face competition, and those that become stagnant risk being overtaken by more innovative and adaptable rivals. Regularly evaluating and improving processes, products, and services helps maintain a competitive edge. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand on a hot summer day. Everyone loves your lemonade, but across the street, another stand opens. They have fancy umbrellas, comfy chairs, and even fun flavors like watermelon or mango. Suddenly, your stand looks a bit plain. People might start going to the other one instead. That's kind of like what happens in business when there's competition. If you don't keep things exciting and improve, other businesses might steal your customers. But don't worry. Just like you can upgrade your lemonade stand, you can improve your business to stay ahead of the game. Here's how: be a lemonade detective. Ask your customers what they like and dislike, just like you might taste the other stand's lemonade. Do they want different flavors? Maybe faster service? Use their feedback to make your lemonade even better. Get creative. Add fun toppings like berries or mint to your lemonade. Think of new ways to make your stand more inviting, like playing cool music or offering games. In business, this could mean developing new products, updating your website, or offering special promotions. Never stop learning. See what the other stand is doing well, but don't just copy them. Learn from their ideas and come up with your own unique twist. In business, this could mean attending industry events, reading about successful companies, or collaborating with other businesses. By constantly checking your lemonade recipe and making improvements, you'll keep your customers happy and attract new ones, just like the best stand on the block. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about always getting a little better and staying creative. So have fun and keep your lemonade flowing. Meet evolving customer needs and expectations. Customer preferences and demands change over time. Businesses that fail to adapt risk losing existing customers and struggling to attract new ones. Continuous improvement ensures you're meeting current and future customer needs. Imagine you're baking cookies for your friends. They used to love chocolate chip cookies, but now they're all raving about these fancy new rainbow sprinkle cookies. If you keep making just chocolate chip, even though they're delicious, your friends might go somewhere else to get their cookie fix. That's kind of like what happens in business when you don't adapt to changing customer needs. Customers are like your cookie-loving friends. Their preferences and expectations evolve over time. They might want faster delivery, personalized recommendations, or a more eco-friendly product. If you stick to your old ways, even if they were great once, you risk losing customers to businesses that are keeping up with the trends. Just like your friends might discover a new bakery with amazing sprinkle cookies. The good news is, you don't have to throw out your entire recipe book. Continuous improvement is like adding new sprinkles to your cookies. It's about always looking for ways to make your product or service better, faster, or more convenient for your customers. This way, you keep things fresh and exciting, and your customers know you care about what they want. So, keep experimenting, embrace new ideas, and listen to your customers' feedback. It's like getting creative in the kitchen. You might just bake up something even better than those sprinkle cookies. Increase efficiency and productivity. Streamlining operations, optimizing processes, and implementing new technologies can lead to significant efficiency gains. This translates to cost savings, increased output, and improved profitability. Imagine you're baking a cake. You want it to be delicious, right? But who wants to spend all day in the kitchen? Efficiency and productivity are like super cool baking hacks that help you get that yummy cake done faster and easier. Think of streamlining operations as clearing away clutter in your kitchen. No more searching for the whisk buried under mixing bowls. Having everything organized and easily accessible helps you move smoothly from step to step. Optimizing processes is like figuring out the best way to mix the batter. Maybe you discover whisking in circles works faster than back and forth. These little tweaks save time and effort, just like optimizing your work processes. Implementing new technologies is like using a fancy electric mixer instead of hand whisking. It might be an investment, but it saves you tons of time and muscle aches. New technology can automate tasks, improve accuracy, and boost your overall output. So, remember, efficiency and productivity are all about finding smarter ways to work, saving time and energy, and ultimately, achieving your goals, whether it's baking more cakes or running a successful business. Enhance employee satisfaction and engagement. Employees who feel their work is valued and have opportunities to learn and grow are more likely to be engaged and productive. Investing in employee development and fostering a culture of continuous improvement boosts morale and reduces turnover. Imagine you're at a plant party. You're surrounded by other plants, but some are wilting and drooping, while others are vibrant and blooming. That's kind of how employees can be in a workplace. The wilting ones might not feel their work matters, or they might not have the tools to grow. But the blooming ones? They feel appreciated, have opportunities to learn new things, and are excited to contribute. Here's how you can help your plants bloom. Sunshine of appreciation. Let your employees know their work is valuable. A simple thank you goes a long way, but you can also give shout-outs, rewards, or even small gifts. Remember, everyone likes to feel appreciated. Water of growth. Help your employees learn and grow by offering training, workshops, or mentoring programs. This shows you believe in them and want them to succeed. Think of it like giving them fertilizer to flourish. Spacious soil of autonomy. Give your employees some control over their work. Let them make decisions, solve problems, and be creative. This gives them a sense of ownership and makes their work more meaningful. It's like giving them a bigger pot to explore and grow their roots. Fresh air of feedback. Talk to your employees regularly. Ask them how they're doing, what they need, and how you can help them be more successful. Feedback is like fresh air, helping them grow in the right direction. Teamwork makes the dream work. Encourage collaboration and teamwork. When people feel connected and supported by their colleagues, it boosts morale and makes work more enjoyable. Think of it like sunshine that helps all the plants grow together. By creating this kind of environment, you'll have happier, more engaged employees who are more productive and less likely to leave. They'll be like those beautiful, blooming plants, contributing to the overall success and happiness of the whole garden. Foster innovation and creativity. Encouraging experimentation, feedback, and open communication creates an environment where new ideas can flourish. This continuous innovation can lead to groundbreaking products, services, and processes that give your business a significant edge. Imagine your business as a beautiful garden, filled with potential for growth and exciting new blooms. But just like a garden needs sunlight, water, and care to thrive, your business needs a special environment to foster innovation and creativity. That's where experimentation, feedback, and open communication come in, like the magic ingredients that make your garden flourish. Experimentation is like planting seeds. You try out new ideas, even if they seem a little crazy at first. Maybe you test a new marketing campaign, design a different product prototype, or try a different way to solve a problem. It's all about exploring possibilities and seeing what works best. Feedback is like sunshine and water. When you share your ideas with others and ask for their input, it's like giving your seeds the nourishment they need to grow strong. Different perspectives help you refine your ideas, identify potential issues, and make them even better. Open communication is like fresh air. When everyone feels safe to share their thoughts, no matter how big or small, it creates a vibrant and exciting atmosphere. Ideas can flow freely, and everyone feels empowered to contribute. It's like having a whole team of gardeners working together to make the most beautiful garden possible. With this combination, your business becomes a breeding ground for groundbreaking products, services, and processes. It's like discovering a unique new flower that nobody has ever seen before. This gives you a significant edge over your competition, just like a stunning flower attracts attention in a field of ordinary ones. Remember, fostering innovation and creativity isn't about achieving perfection. It's about embracing a playful and curious spirit. So, go ahead, experiment, get feedback, and communicate openly. Your business garden is waiting to bloom with amazing possibilities. Manage risk and mitigate challenges. Proactive improvement helps identify and address potential problems before they escalate. This proactive approach minimizes risks and ensures your business can adapt to unforeseen circumstances. Imagine your business is like a superhero, but instead of fighting villains, it's facing challenges and risks. Just like a superhero needs to be prepared for anything, your business needs to be proactive too. Think of being proactive like having superpowered senses. You can sense potential problems before they become big messes. This is where managing risk and mitigating challenges come in. It's like having a special suit of armor that protects your business from unexpected attacks. Attract and retain top talent. High-performing individuals are drawn to companies with a growth mindset and a commitment to continuous improvement. This focus on development creates a more attractive workplace and helps you recruit and retain the best talent. Imagine you're a superstar athlete. Wouldn't you want to join a team that's always training, getting better, and pushing each other to be the best? The same goes for top talent in any field. They're not just looking for a job, they're looking for a place to grow, learn, and challenge themselves. That's where a growth mindset comes in. Think of it like a company that's always open to new ideas, embraces learning, and doesn't shy away from challenges. They see mistakes as opportunities to improve, and they encourage everyone to keep leveling up their skills. Sounds pretty cool, right? Companies with this mindset don't just talk the talk, they walk the walk. They offer things like training and development programs, workshops, mentorships, conferences, all there to help your skills shine brighter than a disco ball. Opportunities for advancement. Climb the ladder like a superhero. They help you see your career path and provide support to get you there. Challenging and interesting work. No more mind-numbing tasks here. They give you problems that make you think and projects that push your limits. A culture of feedback and learning. Honest feedback helps you grow, and they create a safe space for open communication and learning from each other. Build a resilient and sustainable business. Continuous improvement fosters a culture of adaptability and problem-solving, making your business more resilient to disruptions and economic downturns. This ensures your long-term sustainability and success. Imagine your business is a tree. A strong, flexible tree can weather storms and bend with the wind, right? That's what resilience and sustainability are all about in the business world. Here's the friendly take. Continuous improvement is like giving your business tree vitamins and exercise. By constantly learning and getting better, your business becomes more adaptable. Picture it like adding flexible branches. They can bend with unexpected changes, like economic storms or new competition. This keeps your business healthy and prepared for anything, kind of like having a strong immune system. The result? You're more likely to survive and thrive in the long run. Stay ahead of industry trends. By constantly monitoring industry trends and embracing new technologies, you can ensure your business remains relevant and competitive. This proactive approach positions you for future success. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand on a hot summer day. Everyone's buying lemonade, but suddenly, a bunch of kids roll up with snow cones. Now, if you stick to just lemonade, you might miss out on those snow cone sales. Bummer, right? Staying ahead of industry trends is like having a super cool telescope to see what's coming next. You spot those snow cone cravings before they hit, and adapt your stand to offer both lemonade and frosty treats. Achieve your business goals. Ultimately, continuous improvement helps you achieve your strategic goals, whether it's increasing market share, expanding your product line, or entering new markets. By always striving to be better, you move closer to realizing your vision. Imagine your business goals like a delicious pizza you're trying to bake. You have the recipe, but to get that perfect golden crust and gooey cheese, you gotta keep tweaking things. Here's how continuous improvement helps you achieve those business goals in a friendly way. 1. Small steps, big taste. Instead of trying to overhaul everything at once, think of it like adding a pinch of salt here or a sprinkle of herbs there. Small, consistent improvements add up to a big difference in the final product. 2. Learn from the oven. Every time you bake a pizza, you learn something new. Maybe the crust needs a bit more heat, or the sauce needs a touch more sweetness. Apply that same learning to your business. Analyze what's working, what's not, and adjust your approach to get closer to your goals. 3. Embrace the experiment. Don't be afraid to try new toppings. Maybe you add a new marketing strategy or a different product line. Experimenting helps you discover what works best for your business and keeps things exciting. 4. Share the pizza. Get your team involved in the baking process. Their feedback and ideas can help you perfect the recipe and achieve your goals faster. 5. Celebrate the crust. Don't forget to enjoy the journey. Achieving even small improvements is worth celebrating. It shows you're on the right track and keeps you motivated to reach your final goal. Remember, continuous improvement isn't about being perfect. It's about constantly learning, adapting, and getting better. By keeping these tips in mind, you can bake up a business that's not only successful, but also fun and rewarding. In a world that's constantly evolving, settling is synonymous with stagnation. It's like building a sandcastle on the beach, admiring it for a moment, and then watching the tide relentlessly wash it away. Don't let your business become that sandcastle. Choose to be the ocean, forever in motion, shaping and reshaping your shores, adapting to the currents, and leaving a lasting impression on the landscape. Remember, improvement is not a destination, it's a journey. So, fuel your curiosity, embrace challenges, and embark on the path of continuous growth. It's not about reaching a finish line, but about leaving a wake of innovation, resilience, and success behind you. The tide may rise and fall, but your business will stand tall, a testament to the power of never settling. Now, go forth and conquer.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.